Hello YouTube. Today we'll be configuring voice over IP. So let's get the ball rolling. So let's get our cable. We'll connect this straight through cable from the router. So connect 0/0, 0/1 here into the switch. Do the same thing. Okay, we are done with us. So let's power on our IP phone. So use the power. So let's go to the main configuration. So we go to our switch. Enable config terminal. So let us do our trunk ports. Let's set our trunk ports interface /0/1. So we'll say switch ports mode trunk. This is the trunk port. So we exit again. So let's create our VLANs name. VLAN 20. Sorry about that. So we'll say VLAN 20. Give its name data. VLAN 30. Name voice. Exit. VLAN 98. Name use management. And exit. Go to interface. VLAN 98. So IP address 192.168.98.10 and 255.255.255.0. You say no shutdown. So exit. IP default gateway. So give our IP default gateway 192.168.98.1 then say enter. So we exit. So now our trunk port has been done. This is our trunk port. So now we are having so let's make this port an access port, because automatically by default they are dynamically desirable. So config terminal, we want to make this an access port. Config terminal, interface range, first it on is 0/2 to 5. We are having 2 to 5 here. We are having 5 ports here, 2 to 5. And you see switch ports, mode, access. You see switch ports, access, VLAN 20, then switch ports, voice, VLAN 30. You see exit. You didn't make mention of something in the trunk port, so let me go back to the interface. First on it 0/1. I'm supposed to make it switch ports, mode, trunk native, VLAN 98. Sorry about that. Native VLAN 98. Okay, so now let's go to our router and configure the sub interface. No, enable config terminal, interface first it on is 0/0. Then we'll see no shutdown. Exit. Interface first it on it 0/0.20. We'll say encapsulation dot 1Q20. Sorry about that. 1Q20. We'll say IP address 192.168 dot dot 20 dot 1, then 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0. So 0, we are done with that. Then we exit. The interface first it on is 0/0.30. So encapsulation dot 1Q30. Then the IP dot 30.1. Then we see no shutdown. then exit interface, sorry, interface here, 0/0.98, encapsulation dot 1q98 native, using the native VLAN 98 native, enter IP address, let's use which one. Okay, I think we are done with that. So now let's create our DHCP pool for both data and voice. See IP DHCP express with excluded address, excluded address 192.168.20.1 to 192.168.20.9. Also this one also for the voice, that's for the data. For the voice, 30.1, 30.9, so IP DHCP pool, you see data pool, say network 192.168.20.0.255.255.255.0, and the port router 192.168.20.1. Okay, let's do for voice IP DHCP pool, say voice pool, and network 192.168.30.0.255.255.255.0, and the port router 192.168.30.125.255.255.0. Here we are going to configure it. Sorry, I don't know the mask for this one. Sorry about that. Here we configure the option. See option 150, the IP address 192.168.30.1. So we are done with that. So let's go to our pieces. So DHCP request successful. That's cool. 192.10.20.1 the gateway. So we'll do the same thing here also. Come here also. The desktop also. Here also. DHCP also successful. That's cool. Come to the third PC. Desktop configuration. DHCP also successful also. We come to the last PC, last host here. Desktop. DHCP successful also. So let's check our IP calculator. So can you see 30.14? That means you're also getting IP address. You're also getting IP address. So you can see here If you go to the graphical engine, it's a configuring CM list. That means it's also getting IP address. Can you see? Had it been is not given IP address, then it will show you configuring IP. But here, as you can see, it's showing configuring CM list. Now, what we want to do right now is the configuring the voice over IP. We want to configure so that all these IP phones, this IP phone, can talk to each other. That's what we're going to do now, because that's the main reason why this tutorial is being done. So let's go to our router. Let me tell you one thing. One thing there is just that the router here, 2611 series is the whole starting from 2811. As you can see, the router here, the 1841, 1941, they are not having the Cisco telephone services feature in it. But starting from 2800 series, they are having Cisco telephone services in it. So now let's go to our telephone services. So let's we see telephone service. So maximum DN we want is 4. Sorry. So let's look at the command. As you can see there, we have maximum DN, maximum earphones. We say maximum DN 4. Maximum earphones that we are having here, we are also having 4. Maximum earphones here is also 4. Okay, so let's go to we've got the maximum DN and maximum earphones. So now let's go to our this thing. We say earphone earphone 1. So we see earphone 1 here. We say number. Exit. Sorry. Let's go to earphone DN1. Let's set the number here. The number of the earphone will be 0000. Exit. Earphone DN2. The number here will be 0001. Exit. Earphone DN3. So let me go back to my earphone DN3. Okay. The number here will be 002. Then the last earphone DN4. The number here will be 004. You have 00001, 002, so let's use 003. Okay, so now let's show run a config. I want to show you something there. Show run. You will see our earphone. You see our earphone, the number. Can you see? Earphone denomination 1. Maximum earphone 4, maximum DN4, earphone denomination 1, 000 number 001, 002, 003. So let's go back to our config terminal. Then now let's do our source. So let's say telephony. You see telephony service. So we see IP source address. Our source address will be 192.168.30.1. That's our IP address. Then let's use the port. Let's use the default port 2000. So now exit. So you say if on one, say button. So these are the button in the IP phone. As you can see, you come down here, you see this is the button 1. So you see you come back to your router, you see button 1 and 1. So that is done. So exit. So you see if on 2, button 1. So the second one we use 2 for the second IP phone, button 1 2. So exit again. You come down to the iPhone 3, do the same thing. iPhone 3. So you see button 1 3. So exit. Do the same thing for the iPhone 4. So you see iPhone 4 button 1 4. So also again. Now let's show our iPhone. Say show iPhone. Can you see? We are having iPhone. We are having iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone 3, iPhone 4. They are using the can you see 30.12, 30.13, 30.10, and 30.11. iPhone 1 30.12, iPhone 2 30.13, iPhone 3 30.10, iPhone 4 30.11. As you can see, this is so awesome. So now let's test our IP phone. So I'll pick this IP phone up. This is the number. Can you see? So I'll pick another IP phone, the last one here. I'll try calling. I'll try calling. So okay, I'm gonna call 0000. So I'll say 0 0 0 0. Can you see? The phone is ringing. So I picked up, connected. So basically, that's how you configure our voice over IP. That's voice over IP. So now the user here and the user here can communicate. I think that was awesome. I think for you network guys, for you CCNA network guys, I think this just a start for you. I think this has been so helpful. I believe this is not something that is very hard. Something very easy that you can do. Just play with it. With time, you will get it because it's very easy to configure CCNA voice over IP. Guys, you can add me on Facebook. This is my name. It's an African name. Actually, I'm an engineer. This is my name. Just add me on Facebook. Type the name on Facebook page. You can add me. You can also follow me on Twitter at Alex200 or my blog www.dynamicbello.blogspot.com. See you guys. Catch ya. Hope you enjoy my video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.